If your car needs service, bring it to Hector's Auto Repair in Los Angeles. We work on all brands and all types of cars: domestic, Asian, European, daily drivers, family cars, SUVs, and work vehicles. We do it all. From oil changes and brakes to diagnostics, transmissions, suspension, AC repair, electrical work, engine repair, and complete auto service. Hector's Auto Repair has you covered. We service every kind of vehicle, and we specialize in European cars. Visit us today at 7020 S Vermont Ave, Los Angeles, California. Call 323-750-3300.